got the best 2 deals at the depot. And some clearance. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. So basically, you can buy any of those kits and you can get a free battery. This is one of the newer batteries that you can get for free. And then, guys, price comparison. This is the FlexVolt 9 amp hour battery, $169. But if you guys look at the Milwaukee, it's $229 for an 8 amp hour battery. Isn't that crazy? Big price difference on that. So $299. Oh, we got the buy more, save more, guys. These all do qualify for the buy more, save more. Those are the new deals that are dropping. This is a starter kit here. It's a 12 amp hour or 12 volt starter kit. So this is the buy more, save more. There's a whole bunch of tools that do qualify for those deals. So on this one, you guys spend $350 or more, you save $50. You spend $450 and you save $100. You spend $550 and you save $175. Obviously, the $550 is going to get you the better deal. It's going to get you the most discount. I believe you should be able to hack these. Probably in store only, not online. You got a DeWalt 18 gauge brand nailer, 6-gallon compressor, $219. It's pretty much a complete kit. And then you got the brand nailer by itself, $129. Got the hose for $26 and the whole kit for $219. Pretty good deal on all that. You got the 1-inch SDS Plus rotary hammer, $349. Impact wrench, 1/2 inch with friction ring. Those are all qualified for the buy more, save more. If you guys do look closely, it does say the buy more, save more. That is the rotary hammer, the 1-inch. You got the Super Sasa. Oh, the Sasa, my bad. Not the Super Sasa. So it's $199 each. And then you got the angle grinder and the mid torque impact wrench, 1/2 inch. That is the angle grinder. Does have the rapid stop. That's the 1/2 inch impact wrench. Mid torque. The angle grinder, more angle grinder there at the bottom. The one-handed reciprocating saw, and then you got an impact driver. I believe that is the Surge impact driver. So yeah, guys, we're gonna have to check this out, the prices and everything, see what what kind of deals we can get out of this, and if anything's better or worse than last year. And they got this workbench here. So $349 for this one. Does have some drawers, just basic, but it does have some nice retro style wood. $119, your choice here. Pretty much brush tools or the pack of batteries. I don't know. It just depends on what you want to get. For a homeowner or somebody starting out, those tools are not bad, but if you can buy brushless, it's even better. $29 for this whole saw kit. Does include 3/4, 7/8, 1-inch, 1 and 2-inch arbor and pilot bit. The 7-piece. It's not bad. Then you got some more that qualify for the buy more, save more. You got a 5 3/8 circular saw, oscillating tool, the compact cutoff tool, the 8-piece oscillating tool kit. Multi-material wood and hardwood blades. So just different, made in the USA. And then you got the circular saw there at the bottom. Alright, so on to the other side, this is $259 for the compact bandsaw, the angle grinder, the 3/8 speed ratchet. That's the impact wrench, the ratchet. And then you got the right angle die grinder. Alright, so $49.98 for the Husky 16-inch large mounting bag. Now this it's pretty nice. It does have this pocket, pretty much an exterior pocket. Let's store some stuff in there. Whole bunch of interior pockets. It's more like an organizer bag. You got $14.88 for the 6-piece heavy duty hooks here. They do come on with some mounting hardware, so it's pretty nice. Yes, guys, I know it's expensive. I would definitely wait until a better sale, or I believe you can buy this on the Buy More Save More still, but you know it's kind of pretty expensive if you want to go with that. And then you got the Joby sockets, the 10, 12, and 14. They do come with the hex adapter for the impact driver, $13.97. Got the multi-tool made in the USA with global materials. Multi-material blades, wood, 1988. You got another bag. This is an 18-inch rolling tool tote. It's pretty big actually. So $89 for that one. You got $29.97 for the screwdrivers. This is a big pack, 22-piece magnetic screwdriver set. So you guys do see you get one of everything basically. And then you get some precision here and some odd angles and some stubbies. So $29.97 was $39.97. Then you got some 3-piece plier and right set. It's pretty much what you would need basically for a smaller tool bag. Then they got the mower here, but I don't know why they got this in the back of the aisle. Maybe they do have, I believe they do have another display on the front, so they got two different displays. You got a radio and charger, $169. You got a fan for $99, and a 12-volt compact power source for $59. Make sure you guys, I don't know if whoever got that fan, I believe it was like $59 or something like that with the battery. So a lot of you got that deal. Alright, so we got the hats, $24.97. These are Milwaukee hats. It's pretty nice. Yeah, really nice material on this one. So pretty good stuff. You got a 500 lumen rechargeable flashlight, $59.97. With magnet, 450 lumen rechargeable headlamp, $67. Personally, I wouldn't buy anything, at least if I can, that's not rechargeable headlamp or flashlight, because you know obviously you don't want to spend so much on those batteries and stuff like that. Alright, you got this mower. It's on sale. This is the Toro, 22-inch mower. This is it right here. So it's a 60 volts. It does have that is the battery compartment with some breathing holes. It's a big battery compartment. It is a 60 volt unit. So, and Toro is a great brand. This is 60 volt tools, 21-inch self-propelled mower. Well, this is actually 21-inch. I believe they do have a 22-inch model. This one's $441. $349 for the 5-tier industrial shelf. These are pretty beefy shelf here, as you guys do see. So that is it's backwards, by the way. So it's the other way. But that's pretty nice. All right, so back to the clearance. You got the LXT grass shears, 8-inch edge trimmer. Makita, $169. You got some Rhino Tough string trim line, $13, down from $16. And then you got another one, Universal, 0.065, so much smaller. And then you got a 0.095. Power Care brand, down to $16. I don't know, they might have these cheaper, so make sure you guys double check. And this is the mower. This is a 22-inch, so it's a little bigger. Maybe it's a newer model. It is $729, so you're saving a lot of money if you guys. I'm doing some painting right now. I bought a machine. Let me know that in the comment section if you guys have any suggestions for storage on the machine, because I already cleaned it out. I already put some of this stuff in there, but I don't know if this is the best stuff to put in there or not. Let me know what your procedure is, or if you know anybody that does, or if anything that I could do to preserve the life of my painting machine. Alright, so you got the impact cut level back on the clearance, $14. And then you got these, very colorful. Got Gorilla Grip, pretty nice design. These are $15, $15.77. And then we got a circular saw. It's a 6.5 circular saw. I did not see a price on this one. You got some sort of precision tools from Ryobi. $25. Then you got this deadbolt here. 22. You got a 2-pack of 4 amp hour batteries. Do not see a price on these. You got a rotary tool for $99. And then you got the 3 amp hour battery starter kit down to $72. So yeah, this is dropping in price. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a few left. I wouldn't mind spending $50 for that kit. Alright, so you got the quarter rotary tool down to $79. Got a storage there compartment. Got some puncture resistant work insoles down to $19.97. Guys, that's it for today. Just don't have a lot. I know some of the Lobes stuff is moving in, so we're gonna see if we can get the newer deals out. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.